నమస్తే అందరూ, నా పేరు చేత. నేను 3rd క్లాస్. ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పబోతున్నాను. నేను సంజీవని ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ అటెండ్ అయ్యాను. అవి ఎలా ఉన్నాయో చెప్పబోతున్నాను. మా అందరి పిల్లలకి నచ్చింది చాక్లెట్ ఈటింగ్. సో దాంట్లో నాకు మంచిగా నచ్చింది. అది పోయమ్స్ రాస్తుండే, మేము స్టోరీ టెల్లింగ్ మ్యామ్ చెప్తుండే. ఇంకా యాక్టివిటీస్ నాకు బాగా నచ్చింది. హోమ్ యాక్టివిటీస్ నేను స్కూల్లో నేర్చుకునేది కూడా ఇప్పుడు సంజీవని క్లాస్లో నేర్చుకున్నాను. మన కోపాన్ని, టైంని ఎలా మేనేజ్ చేసుకోవాలో, కాన్ఫిడెంట్ని పెంచుకోవాలా, అది నేర్చుకున్నాను. ఇంకా రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇవ్వాలి పెద్దోళ్ళకు, అది నాకు చాలా బాగా నచ్చాయి అవన్నీ. నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఎలాగైనా సంజీవని క్లాసెస్ అవుతే నేను తప్పకుండా అటెండ్ అవుతాను. ధన్యవాదాలు అందరికీ.
Show a song with Newton.
Thank you. I'm going short. 10 times jump. Flower claps. 5 times bend. Times running in the same place. Thank you, everyone. My name is Chetan. Today I'm going to tell 4 sentences about time rhyming words. I waste time watching Amazon Prime on Saturdays. I gave chocolates in my class very late because of exam. I will play every day after my school. I got valuable dream which was unimaginable. Thank you.
played and wasted my time. Time is so valuable that is unimaginable. I'm late by eating a chocolate. Time is prime. So I'm sad about how I wasted my valuable time. I know how to overcome this. I should manage my time.
I'm reading a poem. Don't tension but comfortably mention. When there's tension, you should try to mention. When you get irritation, that leads to frustration. When there's no concentration, people get frustration. Nervousness makes body shaking, then all our thoughts would start breaking. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Geetha. Today I'm going to read some poems which I have written. I got fresh up and start up my homework. I was breaking the doll and shaking. I was irritated of that frustration. I mentioned on a paper that I need to give pension. I paid attention and concentrate. When I got stressed, I pressed the doll. Thank you.
Tension, even if the movie is full of suspension. Don't get frustration. Just pay concentration. Don't get sweating. You will be regretting. If you are full of frustration, you will automatically get irritation. So, don't get tension. Thank you.
I'm reading a poem. Respect your elders for all the good things they taught. Respect your mother who loves you a lot. Respect your father who makes you smart. Respect your teacher who teaches you a lot. Respect your friends for the joy which they brought. Thank you.
This is divinity, this is evilness, and this is human nature.
Hi everybody, my name is Sudisha Counseling. I'm from 4th class. Now I'm telling brain gym. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.